This is my quick and easy potato salad. See how I make it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for subscribing. Today I'm making a delicious potato salad. So right now I am cutting up the raw potatoes. I just peel the potatoes and I'm cutting it up, putting it in some water. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm also going to add in some boiled eggs in here. I'm cutting it. The smaller you cut it is the better. You don't want it to be too chunky. I mean, some people make like a chunky potato salad. You can make it bigger or smaller. It's all up to your desire. So right now I have the eggs in there. I'm going to let this all come up to a boil. And yes, I put eggs in my potato salad, which is optional. So here is the boiled potatoes, nice and soft. You have to just stick a fork in it and make sure it's soft, drain it out. And now I am peeling the eggs. Eggs are, some people don't like eggs in potato salad, but I love eggs in my potato salad. It's just so good. So now I'm just dicing up the eggs. And once it's all diced, we're going to add in all of the wonderful ingredients. Now, I kind of merge my two potato salads into one for this recipe. I make an American potato salad and I also make a Trini potato salad. So I'm kind of adding ingredients from both recipes. And I just made it my own. So you will see as I go along. So this is everything diced up. I'm going to add in some celery. So I am going to dice up the celery nice and small. You don't want these too big because you don't want it, too chunky inside of there. So I just dice it up really nice and fine, a fine dice. And once that is diced up, I will grate half of an onion. I didn't even use half. I use like a quarter of an onion because I don't like too much of the onion taste in there. So it's up to you if you like onions. But for me, I like onions, but I don't like too much onions in my potato salad. So I just grated like a quarter of an onion in there. So I'm just adding everything into the bowl. Give it a little mix. Have some peas and carrots here, which is traditional for our Trini potato salad. So I'm putting in the peas and carrots. Black pepper. Some sweet relish. A little garlic powder. Some paprika. Some seasoned salt. Mayonnaise, and some yellow mustard. I also put in salt to taste, but you want to mix this up and you want to taste it as you go because everyone's salt tolerance is different, so you have to see how much salt you want in there. So the salt is the taste. So just put a little at a time, taste it, and just keep adding. Now I'm adding more mayonnaise because I like mine really nice and creamy. So, and that's it. Like, you don't do too much to this. Oh yes, I almost forgot. I put a little bit of sugar in my potato salad. So I put a little tip of sugar in there, and that just brings in that taste so well. And this is my finished potato salad. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And always remember, my food is cooked with passion and served with love. God bless. Bye.